How to get Captcha verification bot on Discord. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can get Captcha verification bot on your Discord server. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, you'll need to search for captcha.io. Search for captcha.bot, my bad, it's captcha.bot. Head over to the website and there you will see the account verification for your Discord server done right. So there are different options here. What you can do here is simply tap on secure your server. After you tap on that, your pop-up will open up like this. You can tap on continue to Discord and your Discord should open up. Now you can select the server where you want to add this verification bot. So I'll just select this one, then tap on continue. Now here you can give whatever permission that you want to captcha.bot, then tap on authorize. After you tap on authorize, go through the captcha yourself and it will just take a few moments, but it will get added on your Discord as you can see right here. Now if you head back here, you'll see from here you can manage your servers. And that's basically how you do this guys, and that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.